Alright, second.
Second right now?
Yeah.
Shift up to 5 and gain a little bit of speed.
Seven. Okay. Alright.
Hello everybody, coming at you with all my might, it is Smite. Here is a video I recorded with the new Sena Prism tube, and it's a new action camera. It's around $100, $120 retail, and it's a great little camera. I didn't place the mic properly. I was doing some experimenting with that, so bear with the audio. I haven't got it all figured out yet. But great little camera, and enjoy.
Just getting a feel for it, you know. You got to ease into this.
Yeah, it's not a beginner bike.
All right, clutch.
Give a throttle a little tug, just to...
That gets up there fast. All right.
You ain't got anybody coming. Gotta get a feel for the geometry. Actually, someone's coming out. Let's get by.
All right.
And I imagine you probably would have started out a little slower.
Yeah. All right. Turn signals are right there. Where they're normally at. Yeah? Nice. It's really, really smooth. Yeah. Yeah. Like as soon as you roll off, it slows right down.
You can test it out once you get a little bit more comfortable with it. First gear will get you up to about 73 miles an hour.
73. I think third. Holy freaking crap! And I didn't even really crank on it. I mean, I just did a slow roll on. Dang. Honestly, I wasn't paying attention to that. I was paying attention more to the road. Oh, okay. It's definitely a different feel. Like it almost doesn't feel like a bike to me, because I've never rode this like this. Yeah. I don't know this road too all often. I mean, not well. Alright, second.
Second right now.
Yeah.
Shift up to 5 and gain a little bit of speed.
7. Okay. Holy cow! Oh man! Your turn signal is still on, by the way. Oh crap! Holy crap! That was way too fast. 117. Yeah. That'll do 100 if you're lucky. I didn't even ring it out all the way. I went down 1 and up 2, so 4th. It's a 6-speed. Holy crap! Holy crap! Alright. You want me to put in first? Alright, you're still, turn your turn signal off. That's what I was saying. You're like, it's all good. It's all good. No one was behind you. Now I know why Dad rode these. Oh man, it's a world of a difference. It's amazing. It doesn't matter which gear you are in either. Oh man. And it only hit 11 on that. Oh crap. Yeah?